Hey everybody, this is Matt at Sparkle Farm. I purchased the cheapest log splitter cover on Amazon. Right now it was on sale for $22.99. I think it's normally $26.99. Some of them range into like the hundreds of dollars. And I was like, wow, that's almost a quarter of the cost of my log splitter. So let's keep it cheap. So this is the tarp itself. So it's definitely two different sides to it. I'd say it's a like a nice grill cover. And let me show you our old one. All right, this is our old cover here. It was from like a patio like love seat, and it was long enough to cover the motor and hydraulic cylinder and the I-beam, so we called it a win. You know, the price was right at the time, but this is how I'm going to make the cheapest log splitter cover last, and it's this right here that I've been holding. So this is just pipe insulation. So I just cut chunks of it and it opens up. Let me show you where I'm putting it. All right here is a big one. So that's not even going to be in the way for splitting. And then right here, sticks on there nice. So this one here I'm cutting. This one I'll have to take off every time, but you'll see why. This one right here. So I'm leaving it up a little bit for the handle, so then it's not a wear mark or a wear point. So I put it on the handle here, high point. I put it right here, another high point on the front, and then here on the hitch. And those are all the main wear points that I spotted holes on our old cover. So the only one that's actually going to get in the way is the one on the handle, but I can, before I split, I can just move it and put it on here so I don't lose it. You know, we paid good money for the log splitter, so just trying to keep it looking good and working good, so every time we need to split wood, it's operational. And I'll put a link below, a link in the description for the cover, and if you're watching this, I hope it's still on sale for you. But yeah, this is gonna be one quick fix for on Sparkle Farm here. So more firewood and trailer repair videos coming up, and probably some other stuff, I'm sure. All right, hit subscribe. Thanks everybody. All right, now this is the log splitter covered with it. The only disappointing thing is it doesn't cover the tires, and those are new tires I put on just the other day, and well, I was hoping they would cover it just to protect them from the UV rays and just dry rot. But it is what it is. Like I said, it's the cheapest log splitter cover on Amazon. And honey, what you doing, girl? All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. One more small project on our big project at Sparkle Farm handled. Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. I just went and picked up all this wood. It's a light truckload of silver maple, already all cut up, pretty close to a fireplace size, 16 to 18 inches. A couple longer ones in there, but they're nice enough to give this all to me, so I wasn't going to complain about a handful of pieces. It's all limb wood, so it's not ideal, but whatever, it all burns in my fireplace, I don't care. So like I said, it's silver maple, and yeah, I'm gonna split it tomorrow. The pieces that need to be split, most of them just need to be just cracked in half, and I'm trying to come up with a good spot to store it for the season, so next winter it will be ready. All right, tune in tomorrow.